Cheap wheel spacers vs expensive wheel spacers.
Ever wondered why some wheel spacers are cheaper than others? Well, it all boils down to the quality of the materials and the intricacies of the manufacturing process. Brand name wheel spacers, for instance, are typically more expensive due to the high-quality materials they use and the rigorous testing they undergo. This isn't just about making them look good or last longer, it's about ensuring your safety and the reliability of your vehicle. Think about it. When you're off-roading, the last thing you want is a wheel spacer failure. That's why higher-quality brand spacers are designed and tested extensively to withstand the rough and tumble of off-road use. Generic spacers, on the other hand, may not have undergone such rigorous testing, which could result in a compromise on their reliability. So, while it might be tempting to save a few bucks on cheaper wheel spacers, it's worth considering what you might be giving up in terms of quality and safety. Remember, when it comes to wheel spacers, higher price often means higher quality. Now let's focus on the importance of brands. Brands like BONOSS pour a significant amount of resources into research and development. Their goal? To craft wheel spacers that are safe, reliable, and built to last. They're not just selling a product, they're selling peace of mind. And they stand firmly behind their products, offering warranties that serve as a testament to their confidence in the quality they deliver. When you choose a reputable brand, you're not just buying a wheel spacer, you're investing in safety and reliability. Let's take BONOSS wheel spacers as an example. BONOSS is more than just a brand. It's a commitment to quality and user experience. Every spacer they produce is BONOSS engraved, a testament to their meticulous manufacturing process. They roll out of BONOSS's own factory, ensuring top-notch quality. Remember, wheel spacers impact your vehicle's performance and safety, and going for the cheaper option could cost you more in the long run. When it comes to safety and reliability, always choose genuine brand wheel spacers. Don't compromise your safety for a few bucks saved.